What's up, traders? So 3 trades today. We had one on the demo as well via U that happened after 11 o'clock. And to be honest, I saw there was dollar spreads there, so I wasn't really going to mess with it. Before we get into today's video, I just wanted to kind of reach out to you guys and basically ask for you guys to make a comment on this video. And I just really want to kind of expand into what your thoughts are. Like, why are you watching this video? Are you looking to learn from it? Are you watching it for entertainment? What would you like to see versus what would you not like to see? I'm kind of trying to gauge which way to kind of run this channel. I know what I'm going to do every single day, and that's just the core of the channel, but I would love to really kind of help you guys as much as possible. So if the entertainment factor is what you're after, I feel like maybe I give enough of that for the most part. I could maybe add some stuff in there, but if you're here to learn, I feel like I tried to do as much as that as well. But I'm really just kind of interested into who you are, what you're looking for. I'd love some more interaction in the comment section below. I love talking to you guys. That's kind of the whole reason I stick with this channel, is to really kind of help out as much as possible, lead you away from the mistakes that I've made throughout my career so far, and really try to give you a head start if that's where you're coming from. If you're someone that's a little bit more experienced, you're here just for the entertainment, for supporting me as a trader, then that's awesome as well. I'd love to just know how you feel down in the comment section below. So if you could do that, that'd be awesome. And with that said, here is today's recap. All right, so we're not going to do the live trades this morning. I really just don't see the need because everything was kind of blah. And to be honest, it was one of those days where everything just didn't necessarily go wrong, but nothing necessarily went right either. So with that said, we're going to start here on SDC. And as you can see, we basically top ticked this thing, but unfortunately, we just it dropped down here to 13. It went through, and it seemed like it wanted to kind of hold as support, and you can see we had that line from the pre-market. So it really felt like with VWAP coming up, that previous pre-market area that was being used as possible support, that was previous resistance, we really felt like that might be the bottom. And to be completely honest, I was happy with the overall trade, and I decided to take it all off. And unfortunately, that was, in hindsight, probably could have scaled out of that one. So right away to start the day, we ended up with a winner. It actually ended up being our biggest winner on the day because we didn't scale out. So, the plan is to try to scale out as much as possible, but as you can see here on SDC, we decided not to do that. So moving down to GME, you're going to see that we tried to scale out of this one. A nice little pop here, got short, pretty much topped it, and we were looking to add through 1550 if it got there on this move here. Came down, kind of felt the bottom at 15, did not seem to want to go through, took off 80% of our shares, and we were just put the stop at high of day, assuming it would have to squeeze pretty decently to get back up there, and it did. So we ended up getting stopped out the remaining 20% of our shares there, and as you can see, it was a good stop out. It did end up going quite a bit higher. I actually was looking to get back in this through 16, just never got there. So that would have been a good trade if it did. And our final trade was INO. And as you can see, there was a pattern on the second 2 trades. I decided to try to scale out of these, and unfortunately, neither of them ended up working out. So INO, this was a little bit of a slower mover. It was actually kind of fast when we got in, had the key area there at 11. Let me scroll out so you guys can see what we were looking at. We're looking at a double top from yesterday's highs, and squeezed right up there. So we decided that would be a pretty good idea for a short, looking to add up if it wanted to scale into it. I believe if we look on the daily, we'll see there was some decent resistance all through the left there. Yeah, there was some when we scrolled over. It's there. It's kind of hard to see, but when you scroll in, it is there around like that 1120, 1140 area. And so we were looking to risk off of that based off of the double top from the intraday yesterday. And we got a pretty decent move back down. We had a range order in at break even and 1075. And as this all started forming here, this 1092 support, we decided, okay, when it started to break down here and tried this descending triangle yet again, I did not want to be a part of a failed descending triangle, and this 1092 was holding support very well. Gave it a few cents, put it in at 1095, and as you can see, we got filled on the candle at 1095, and the high of that candle actually ended up being, let me scroll in a little so you can see it, 1095.89, and that ended up being the high before it decided to come down and would have given us our take profit. So a little unfortunate there. You can see it's working its way back up now, but just like I said earlier, not everything necessarily went wrong, but nothing really went right either. As you can see, INO basically top ticked our stop, would have got our fill. GME, this decided it wanted to make another move, so we ended up getting stopped out. And SDC, the one that we wish we would have scaled out of, we didn't, and that thing just continued to fall down in front of our face. So that's all I got for today. Don't forget to leave a comment today. I just want to see a comment. And to be completely honest where this is coming from, I had this on, oh, you guys might not be able to see it. It's, it's my daily thing. It says, take some time to connect with and expand your network today. And I really thought that was a good idea. I focus so much on the people that join the Discord, which the Discord is down in the description below if you want to come in there. It's completely free, obviously. And I've noticed that I've been networking with them as much as possible, trying to help out as much as possible there, as well as just trying to learn from them as well as you guys. That's why I like to interact, because the whole point of the channel is to grow together as a community. So if we can do that, that would be awesome. That's kind of why I'm asking for you to reach out. Tell me what you're struggling with. Tell me what your successes are. Tell me what your strategy is. Tell me everything there is to know that you would like to share, because that's how we grow. By me trading the same thing over and over again, yes, that might work for me, but that doesn't necessarily mean it works for you. And you might not even be here for that reason. You might be here for entertainment purposes, whatever it may be. But that's what I want to know. So let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Always appreciate the support. And if you do have any questions or comments besides that, you can leave those down below as well, or find me in the Discord or even Twitter. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.